Hey, who's it? Your boy Nick the motherfucking Thick. What's poppin'? So, as you can see, I have braces. Okay? I got these braces almost 4 years ago. I haven't been the orthodontist in almost 4 years. Because I'm poor. Over the years that I've had them, they've been breaking. You know, but it was always just in the back. Never had to worry about the front. Until today. Great. Just fucking great. So now, I'm going to rip all of them out on camera. You're welcome. Okay, so I have some pliers and they're a little rusty. So we're gonna...
You need to take out the wire.
I know. I'm gonna take out the wire with shit. I'm gonna fucking sanitize it. Kills 99.9% of germs. Oh! Oh my god. So what are we doing? We're making progress. That's what we're doing. Hey, oh my god, that's so weird. I'm ugly. I'm like so scared.
Pinch the bracket. Don't pull it off your tooth. Just pinch the bracket.
Love that.
Okay, do it.
No fucking shit, Sherlock.
Just pinch it. Don't pull off.
Oh my god, I did it! Oh my god, bitch. I'm fucking...
Wait, hold it in the air.
Oh my god, bitch. Like, I fucking did it.
Stop moving. There you go.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Bitch, I'm a fucking rock star. See that shit? Fucking Nick the Thick 2020.
Viewer discretion is advised. This is not the prettiest thing to look at. Ow.
Oh, I got it! I got it. Oh my god. Oh my god, can you see it?
You're definitely going to be an influencer after this one. Millions of kids across the nation are going to want to take their braces off.
DIY how to
using
take
their
off.
dad's tools.
Cool. Got another one, bitch. Bitch. Another one. Bitch. Look at this shit. Let's just zoom in. How much we've done so far. Stop. It's fucking nasty. Okay, this is why I'm fucking single. If my boys don't want to fuck me, it's fine. Ow. Just fucking pinch my lip, blow out. When we make some more progress, we will check the fuck in with you, okay? Okay. Okay, guys, so we have one fucking more. Except for that one. That one's ugly. But, like, we have one more, so let's fucking do it. You ready? Alright. Oh, shit. Our last fucking one, bitch. Who's a bad bitch? I'm a bad bitch.
That was perfect.
Who's a bad bitch? I'm a bad bitch. Who's a bad bitch? I'm a bad bitch. Alright. Okay, bitches, if you like this fucking video, give it a big thumbs up. Oh my god. My fucking mouth tastes like metal. And you know what? While you're at it, subscribe for more mediocre content like this. And all my social media is in the description down below. And you should also follow my handy dandy cameraman, my brother. His shit is in the description down below. Please stop tweeting me in my face. Thank you. And until the next video, I will see you hoes later. Bye.